In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable HSTS through Cloudflare. Now, if you're not familiar with HSTS, it stands for HTTP Strict Transport Security. It's an essential web security feature, and enabling it ensures a secure connection by automatically forcing your site to only load over HTTPS. This not only helps to keep your data safe, but also boosts your site's performance and user trust. It's a great step towards keeping your website secure, and Cloudflare makes this really easy to do, so let's dive right in. First, we'll start by logging into your Cloudflare dashboard. Once there, you need to select the domain you're working with. This will take you to the main dashboard for that specific domain, where you can adjust its various settings. Now, look for the SSL/TLS section in the navigation pane on the left. Click on it, and then select Edge Certificates. This is where you'll find all the options related to securing your site with SSL. Within the Edge Certificates section, scroll until you find the HTTP Strict Transport Security or HSTS section. Here, you'll need to click Enable HSTS. At this point, a prompt dialog will appear. It's important to check the I understand box before proceeding. This is a security measure to ensure you comprehend the changes you're about to make, as enabling HSTS can affect the way your site is accessed if not done correctly. Once you're comfortable, go ahead and click Next. Now, we'll configure your HSTS settings. The first option is to enable HSTS. Simply turn this setting to On. Next, you'll set the max age header. This determines how long the browser should remember that your site is only available over HTTPS. A common recommendation is to set this to either 6 months, which is equivalent to 15.811 seconds, or 12 months, which would be 3.11536 seconds. Choose the option that best fits your security and operational needs. The next two settings, include subdomains and preload, are optional. If every subdomain under your main domain supports HTTPS, you'll want to turn on Include Subdomains. This ensures that all subdomains also adhere to the HSTS policy. If you plan to submit your site to the HSTS preload list, which tells all browsers to automatically enforce HTTPS for your domain, you'll need to turn on the preload option as well. Remember, this step is irreversible until you request removal from the list, so proceed with caution. Finally, the NoSniff header is another optional setting that you might consider turning on. It adds an additional layer of security by including the X content type options, NoSniff header, which protects against MIME-type sniffing vulnerabilities. Once you've adjusted all your settings to your liking, click Save to apply these changes, and there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully enabled HSTS through Cloudflare, providing a more secure and reliable browsing experience for your users. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.